Hey guys, what's up? Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's 9:30. Focus on the veer at first. Okay, Givo had news announcing the closing of their white box debt exchange. AMRS partnered with Queensland of Biofutures. Let's see, we got some big sales there off of veer. Big volume already, 162,000. And a 50k bid. I mean, a 50k ask at 50. Now let's look at DCTH. Nice buys right there. Oh wow. Running a little too fast. Not something I'm going to get into right now. Gonna ENP. No. Wow. That's insane. Let's go back here. Now there's 0.50 bids. Okay. Looking for something good. I want to go into voice chat as well. Let's see. veer is moving up. After that dip, DCTH is at 12 cents. Jeez. Okay. Let's see here. Could be forming a flag here. So I'm going to look into... Wow, this is moving quick. Falling too. Let's see. Looks like it's going to bounce off right around the 1050 area. And it's already moving back up. Back at 11. It'll come back under again though. Doesn't look like it's going to hold at least. Trying to find things that look good. AVIR is already back to 52 cents. Red to green. Big volume too. Wow. Wait a second. This might be starting to run. Level 2 looks a little weak on the bid side. ENPH, I'm still watching this. It doesn't look good actually. Wow. A veer. It's blowing up right here. ABIL. DCTH is at 13 cents now. AVR is pushing right back up. Good buy was at 50, which I didn't take advantage of. DCTH 1260. Jeez. Should have bought that dip into the 10s too. So far, haven't even taken a hit at anything. Let's see. Falling below now. I'm gonna start searching. IMNP is actually moving a little bit. Has news. Announced his initiation of enrollment in the clinical 2 trial. It's moving slowly. No one's really realized it has 25,000 shares of volume. WPRT, wow. This one from 0.80 a long time ago. Now at 235. Let's bring up one of my scanners. Try to get people. Okay, let's see. Check for some news. This cock is moving. SGOC. Wow. Now this one has news. Oh, I wonder why. Chart isn't pulling up. A lot of sells though. Oh wow. Tons of sells. Let's see. This one doesn't look pleasing to me anymore. Too many sells. But watching that 2 area. I might take a stab here at the 2 area. keep doing that. 2. There's still a lot of sells here. Yeah. No, this one's not good. They're gonna pull it down. And algos are in with the 100 sells, 100 share sells. Check. Take a look back at DCTH. Still sitting pretty here. Let's take a look. Okay, 12 may be a good bid. A lot of buys here. Bids are there. 12.3, 12.3. Okay, 12's gonna drop, yep. Now we're probably gonna see 11.50 to 11.75. That's 91's holding right now on a small amount, but it's gonna drop. They have a lot of bids on the 88 and 86 area. Okay, there's the drop. Following the 8 EMA. Okay, I'm gonna take a stab here. DCTH. Oh wow, big buys. Now it's 6.5. $300,000. I put it actually at 7. Let's see, 250. Huh. Okay, let's see this. 11.75. Let's see if I get bought in. $200K buy at 11.97. Okay, I now moved up my bid to 12. And it's not getting bought out. Okay, now I moved it up to 12.15. And now it is running without me. Haven't bought one share yet. I'm just going to let this one go. It's already at 12.5. And it's about to see a new high over the 12.66. Should see the new high. Yep, there we go. It's breaking now. It's 12.6. And there it is. New high. And this should see 13 now. Already at, wow, that's crazy. And a break at 13, this could probably see 15. Let's see what it does here. I'm moving my bid up to 1275, where it has to come down. I'm up 1,000 right now, currently on it. From a 1266 entry, I got in right away. 133,800 shares. And I'm selling it right now. I sold at 0.1345 for a 987 gain in under 15 seconds. And as you can see at the top, it only shows, because of AVIR that I'm currently holding, it shows that as well. Okay. So now I'm waiting for the drop. I have shares to be bought at 1275. I'm actually going to move it to 1270 because I think it'll reach all the way down to that 1266 area. And it's right above my buy right now at 1280. I got 40K in. And I moved it down to 1265 now for the rest of them. I'm bought in. Now I am currently up $400 already again. And I got filled 92,000. And I'm selling here off to 1325. And I just netted another $418 in profit. I've made 1,250 in under 2 minutes of trading. You'll see it show up here in about a couple minutes. And I still have an order at 1265, which has only 157,000 shares left. And I'm going to move that up to 175,000 shares. See, there we go. Showed up right there that I made more. 0.12. I'm going to do 67 here. Make it 70. 175,000. May not come back down here, but let's see what happens. So I've already netted 1,300 for the day in under 2 minutes of trading on DCTH. And now it's up over 13.6, going for 14. So I'm going to set some bids now. I'm going to change my 1275 bid to a 1350 bid. Going smaller. $13.5, 175,000 shares. Wow, it just blew up right to 14. And now I moved that to 14 cents on the dot, and I just bought 175,000 shares at 14. And there we go. We have a break right there. I'm currently up 415 here. 175,000 shares. I'll probably drop here a little bit, which is okay. This is very strong right now. I definitely see 15 coming. 100K buys. There's a lot of buys, more buys than sells for sure. I have my 175 loaded to sell. Currently up 150. Okay, 1410 building, 14.2. And I'm going to take a sell here at 14.2. And, oh, and it just sold. It sold even higher at 14.3. Oh, it actually did 14.2. I made 750 right there. I'm up 2,000 in under 5 to 7 minutes of trading. And it'll show up here that I'll be at around 2,000 in about a minute. Next buy-in will be around 1380. I'm going to set it right now. Before it comes back down. 13.8. I'm going to make it 75. I think it could, 77. I think it could hit there. There we go. Wow. Doesn't look like it's coming down. May have to move that bid to 14. Oops. I've been on the wrong chart the whole time, too. May have to move that bid to 14.5. Looks like it's going straight for 15. Which it shouldn't. It should come back down, but let's see. Let's go in a little more. Oh yeah, this is a perfect play here. It will start to take a hit soon. You can see I bought 250 here, sold it here, bought 175 here, sold it here. Yep, 15 is about to break. And there it goes. 15 is now new bid. And you could see this crashing down soon because it's up way too much now. So I'm going to set a bid at 14.75 now. Or it may just continue here. Wow. This is... Oh, wow. 16. Definitely don't chase it here at 16 until it comes down. This is way too much, and it's going way too fast. A lot of people are about to get trapped who buy up here. I'm still keeping my bid 14.75. I'll move it to 14.9 just to make sure I get in. Yeah, it's way too high. I didn't expect this at all. A little laggy there. Gotta disconnect from here, maybe get a little connection soon. Okay. Oh wow. Straight explosion to 18. This is gonna be big. I'm just shocked it even got this high. RSI is at 80. It's going to dip now all the way to 17 and all the way to 16. Way too many sells here. It can't hold up here for long. It's got to dip. It just has to. Forming another day trading pattern, but it's got to take a dip. Wow, it just went from 17 to 1875 very quick. So here's a dip. It's going to go back to 1775 here. Should at least. Wow, people are going crazy. I think this might be, they're thinking this might be the next FNBC. There's a big explosion right there. And we're about to see 19. And we're going for 20. Wow, that's insane. That's really insane. And 20's gone. Now we're at 21. Wow. Think of that. Yeah, it could get a little scary up here when it's this high. Let's hope it doesn't come crashing on people. Yep, here it goes. It's gonna crash. Straight down. Little laggy on the surface right here. I have bids at 14.5. I just don't think it could go drop 100% and then not come back. So, see what happens. This is moving way too fast. I only got 30,000 filled at 14.5. And I'm looking to sell it for, oh, I got 29,000 filled. And I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 700 gain right now. 29,000 filled and I'm selling it for a 7 Oh wait, I'm gonna hold on to it for a second. 28, 7, 15. Okay. And I just sold it for a 900 gain. Right at 17.29 I sold it. Okay. Gotta follow the volume, gotta see what's running. And so far, this is the only one that's proving to be taking up the whole volume of the market right now. Yeah, the sell over 17 was definitely where to go. Doesn't look like it'll go back over soon, like that high. See, big red candle. It's gonna form another big red candle soon, or it should. But this one does whatever it really wants. Let's see. Yeah, we should start to see some big sells. Can't believe it's back over 18. Let's see. It's not looking that good. And there's some big sells. Wow. Talk about thousands and thousands of shares. And then we have small 200 buys filling in, and then a 500k buy right there. Wow. It's definitely a crazy one. May look for a re-entry around the 14 area again, if it comes there. Okay, so volume leaders on the day are DCTH with 165 mil, AMD with 29.4 mil, PRXL on buyout talks at 7.6 mil, NVDA at 7.5 mil, CMCSA at 6.2 mil, LPCN, which was another form of news. I believe it was, let me check it out. They achieved their primary endpoints in their study. That is currently at 4.78 mil, FTR at 4.6 mil, Apple at 4.6 mil, Dries at 4.6 mil on another reverse split, 1 for 5. Just a disgusting company. I don't even know how it's actually on the market still. But I guess this is what the SEC does. And then we have, let's see, we have MU, another company, which is at 4.38 mil of volume. I'm gonna look to get into a short here on Dries actually. May have been a little past my time, but actually I'm not. Looks a little iffy. Yeah, I'm just not gonna touch it. Okay. DCTH may pull a 3 white soldiers here on the daily pattern. The first white soldier was yesterday, today would be the second, and tomorrow could be the third. And people have PTs of price targets of 25 cents and 33 to 35 cents. And it also could maybe, if it breaks the 35, see 50. Other than that, I really don't see anything higher than that. So let's see. Watching DCTH here. It's going to come back to around the 16 area. Maybe even see the 15 area, which it should. RSI dropped off from 80 down to about 50. So it's getting a little healthy here, but it's going to form a little inverted cup here and fall down more. Now before that fall, it will also rise up a little bit, so I'm going to play that little rise. But it should, this hit 15. These sell things are in the way. Let me get rid of that. See if I can figure it out. There we go. Okay, so it's going to form that inverted cup, and it should hit about 14.75. I'm going to set my bid. I'll do 14.8 actually. I'm going to do yeah, it's fine. Yeah, that's okay. 14.8. Okay, so let's see what happens. See the 15 here, holding pretty good. It should reach under it, and then before it actually falls big, it'll climb up a little bit and then go back down. The fib is 15 on this, so it should hit back down on it. It could be forming a nah. I don't know. Let's see what happens. A lot of sells, wow. Even though they're only 100 shares, but then there goes the buys too. 22,000, 18,000 sell. Oh wow, there's a big bunch of buys, trying to push it back up again. Okay, I'm gonna watch another one here. While I wait for that, this one looks a little interesting here. Fold. Oops. 10.17. Oops. Wow, that's wrong. 0.18 now. I do. I think I have enough for 1,000. Limit 10.18. Fold. That's why.